Looks great. Thank you, Stephen. Well, welcome to the Cooking Corner in the Air Comfort Solutions kitchen. Grilling season is here, and our friend Heather Berryhill has a great and easy Hawaiian-inspired recipe called Huli Huli chicken.
Hi, Heather Berryhill here. Welcome back to my home kitchen. Okay, it's time to break out the grill, and I have a Huli Huli chicken thigh recipe that I know you're going to love. I'm going to show you how to make it, so let's go. So I am going to start with the sauce for the Huli Huli chicken. The first thing I'm going to do is pack 1 cup of light brown sugar and add it to my bowl. Next, 3/4 of a cup of ketchup in with the brown sugar. Now 3/4 of a cup of soy sauce. Now I need about 1/3 of a cup of sherry. Okay, I've poured the sherry in. Now I am going to put about 2½ teaspoons of freshly minced ginger. The fresh is important, so only go with that. Now we're going to add roughly 1½ teaspoons of minced garlic. So I've got my garlic. I'm going to put it in my little garlic press and get that into the sauce. I've got all my ingredients in the bowl. All I need to do is give it a really good mix. I've got some chicken thighs here. You could use chicken breast if you want to, but the dark meat from the thighs make these just really decadent. I'm going to use 2 packages of chicken thighs, but there's a lot of sauce here. You can use as many thighs as you'd like. So now I'm going to take all of our Huli Huli sauce and just transfer it to a Ziploc bag. Now I'm just going to take those chicken thighs and kind of open them up a little bit and drop them into the resealable bag. Now we just seal the bag, and you'll want to get as much of the air out as you can, and then just give it a toss. You can keep this in the refrigerator for about 8 hours minimum and up to overnight. You just really want that Huli Huli sauce to have a chance to permeate the meat. So I've had these thighs marinating overnight, and they are ready to go on the grill. I've got my grill heated up really hot, and I'm just gonna take those thighs and start laying them down. There's so much sugar consistency to these that they will start to turn dark pretty quickly, so just watch them really close. These are looking really good. I just kind of turn them every few minutes just to make sure that that sugar is not burning too bad, but the grill marks are great. That's what you want. So there you have it, grilled Huli Huli chicken for your next outdoor barbecue. I promise your guests and your family are going to love this one. For more recipes like this, go to the research.com website or follow me on Instagram at JustMe, Heather B.
And you can check out a lot more recipes just like this one on our website as well. That's newszone6.com/recipes.